a short chase of the CSX W003, the Geometry Train. We do have a westbound line, so could be 305 or something else. So I guess that said, let's find out. Well, that came out of nowhere. Anyways, alright, short update on that random GLC power move that popped up on me. That was probably our westbound, and they are picking up a cut of cars here in the Howell siding, right by the old Searchlight tower. Now they are stopped. They did turn their lights off, so I wonder if they're waiting for the Geo train or, you know, just gonna chill there for a bit. Alright, GLC has a bottom green to go through Howell. And let's go get him before the Geo train, because I think he's held up at Fowlerville for these guys right now. Alright, GLC OSTN, I believe that was. Transferring over to the Plymouth sub to grab some cars and then head back west and then south. I think. Now they are reversing on the main so they can go back to their transfer. Huh. Anyways. Oh, and before I forget, that train, that Great Lake Central train, is probably OSTN, which I believe that is one of the places they had to work because, well, the Ann Arbor district connects to the Plymouth sub, and they got to pick up a cut of cars by using the transfer track and going from there. But yeah, quite interesting to see. I already know, and I kind of already know that it's OSTN because those two exact units went through Durand about 2 hours ago, heading south. So yeah, enough yapping. Let's get this Geo train. Took them long enough, but since I have sadly no time, I will not be chasing them to Green Oak, but maybe next cool Plymouth sub thing to come through, I'll get them in Green Oak. So stay tuned. This is my short little rail fanning session in Howell. Over and out.